Looking for a ride that's got old school charm and new school tech? Say hello to the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser 250. Inspired by the iconic 1980s J60 model, the Land Cruiser 250 sports a retro, boxy exterior that's all about rugged charm. Built on the GAF platform, it's not just about looks. This baby's got a 50% increase in frame rigidity and a 30% boost in overall rigidity. Translation: durability and stability on any road. Now let's talk powertrains. You've got options. From the punchy 2.4L turbocharged gasoline engine with 276 GP to the eco-friendly 2.4L hybrid delivering a whopping 326 GP. Prefer diesel? There's a 2.8L turbocharged diesel engine with 201 GP and even a 48V mild hybrid variant for that extra efficiency. Off-road enthusiasts, rejoice! Full-time four-wheel drive, Torsen limited slip center differential, and an electronic 2-speed transfer case make this beast a true off-road champion. With a 31-degree approach angle and 221 mm of ground clearance, the Land Cruiser 250 is ready for adventure. But wait, there's more. For the first time, the Land Cruiser series features electric power steering, EPS, giving you better handling and maneuverability, whether you're off-roading or cruising the city. And what's in a name? Depending on where you are, you might know it as the Land Cruiser Prado, or simply the Land Cruiser 250. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser 250, where retro design meets modern engineering. Time to hit the road.